everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are newer, so welcome to my channel Drabtofab. So today's video is going to be a fall makeup tutorial, or you can also say shades of pumpkin. As you can see, this shade is of pumpkin, and also you can say autumn look, because since September is the month of autumn or autumn leaves. So if it is helpful to you anyways, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And what more to say, that's all. Without any more bug, let's get started. I've already moisturized my face. For that I have used Pond's moisturizer, and for the lips I have used Nivea lip balm. Okay, so now moving on to foundation. This is Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Natural Buff. So now I'm going to blend this with a beauty sponge, and it's a damp beauty sponge. And I just forgot to apply the primer. Okay, so now moving on to concealer. This is LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. And now with the same sponge I am going to blend this out. Now all my dark spots are concealed. So to highlight my T-zone, I am going to use the second layer of concealer, which is from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Sand Sable. This step is really very scary. So again with the same sponge I'm going to blend this out, and I will be right back. So next I'm going to use a loose powder, which is from again Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Light 15. Now I'm going to bake this for 2 minutes, and I'm using the same sponge, and I will be apply that. I will be back after 2 minutes. So I'm back. Now to lock everything, I'm going to use NYX setting spray. And until the baking was going on, I also did my brows off the camera, as you can see. Now we will move on to bronzing, contouring, blush and all that stuff. So now for bronzing I'm going to use Maybelline Master Contour Palette for bronzing. So now for the blush, I am using Biotech blush in the shade Coral. And I am going to use this very lightly, like just a touch. Now on top of that biotic blush, I have applied the second layer of blush, and I have used very tiny amount of this shade right here. This is the coral orange brown shade, and this palette is Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the shade Rose in the Air. Now moving on to our eyes, and I will be using the same palette for the eyes also. Now I am starting with this first orangey coral type of shade, and I will be applying this all over my crease using a fluffy brush. This is a very fluffy blending brush, and hold your brush from downwards, not the upward, and I'm going to zoom in so that it's more clear for you. Now with the help of a flat brush, this is a flat brush, I'm taking this shade, this mustard shade right here, and I'm going to pack this all over my center area. Now I'm taking this brown shade, darker brown shade, and again with the same blending brush, I'm going to apply this on my crease, slightly below the crease area. I'm once again going back to orange shade and apply it on my crease area for some more pigmentation. Now I'm going back to this orange shade and applying it in my waterline, lower lash line with the same fluffy brush. So I just applied the eyeliner, and lastly to complete the whole eye look, I will be applying mascara, which is from Maybelline Lash Sensational, and it's the waterproof one. So up next I'm going to highlight my high points of my face and also under my brows and inner corners. For that I'm using Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the shade Precious Petal. And that's it. Lastly, to complete the whole look, I will be using a lipstick, of course. So for lipstick, I'm using a Nykaa liquid lipstick in the shade Bombay.